So, welcome to Dr. U Academy. So, today we are going to discuss a revision question. Here you can see two linear equations are given, where k is a real constant. So, we have to find the values of k for which there is a unique solution, infinitely many solutions, and no solutions. So here we have two equations here, which is 3x minus k squared y is equal to 5. The next one would be k squared minus 10x plus 8y is equal to 5k. So if you put the coefficient into a matrix, you can say a matrix which is 3 minus k squared minus 10 and 8 over here. Now we'll get the determinant of a. So that would be 24 plus k squared minus 10. Now the condition to have no solution and infinitely many solutions for these two. So the condition would be determinant should be is equal to 0 for these two only, not for this one. So accordingly we can have 0 here. Now this is going to be a fourth order equation, k to the power 4 minus k2 plus 24 is equal to 0. So to simplify this, we can say let k squared is equal to alpha. So this is going to be alpha to the power 4 minus 10 alpha squared plus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, so so this is not going to be alpha squared, it's just 10 alpha plus 24 is equal to 0. This is going to be alpha to the power 2. Yep. So now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So we can directly use the formula. So it's going to be alpha now. Alpha is equal to minus b 10 plus or minus b squared 100 minus 4ac. So it's going to be 4 times 24. Square root divided by 2. So this is going to be 24 into 4 is plus or minus 48. It's 96 is 4. It's 2 here. It's going to be 2. So we get 5 plus or minus 1. So there are two alpha values. Alpha is 1, alpha is 6 and 4. So now k squared is equal to alpha. So from here we get k squared is equal to 6. So k is equal to plus or minus square root of 6. And k squared is equal to 4. So k is plus and minus 2. So now we have to check all these equations for these k values. So what I will do, I will rearrange the first equation. That would be y is equal to it's going to be 3 divided by k squared x plus 5 divided by k squared. The second one would be minus k squared minus 10 divided by 8x, then plus 5k divided by 8. And this is the second equation. So now what we will do, we will choose k is equal to plus square root of 6. and we will rearrange the equations now. So it's going to be y is equal to 3 divided by 36x plus 5 divided by 6 over here. I did a mistake over here. So it's going to be square root of 6. So it should be now y is equal to 3 divided by 6x plus 5 divided by 6. So the second one would be y is equal to, now squared would be 6. So 6 minus 10 would be minus 4. So it's going to be again half x plus k is equal to be, yep, so it's going to be square root of 6. 5 square root of 6 divided by 8. So the first equation can be written as y is equal to 1 divided by 2x plus 5 divided by 6. So now we can see from here we can see the gradients are equal but not the intercepts. So that means we have no solution. No solution means no intercepts, they're parallel like this. So when k is equal to plus 6, no solution. So when k is equal to minus square root of 6, so this is going to be square root of 6. So y would be 3 divided by 6x plus 5 divided by 6 again, the second equation. You get again half x minus 5 square root of 6 divided by 8. Again, intercepts are different, so this is corresponding to no solution. Similarly, you can try for k is equal to plus 2. So when k is equal to plus 2, it would be like this. Y is equal to 3 divided by 4 x plus 5 divided by 4, the second equation. When k is equal to 2, it's going to be 6. It's going to be 4 minus 10, it's going to be minus 6, and 6 divided by 8, it's going to be 3 divided by 4 again, x plus 10 divided by 8. So 10 divided by 8 is 5 divided by 4. So now we can see these two lines are parallel and coinciding each other. So there are infinitely many solutions. And then k is equal to minus 2. So then you get y is equal to 3 divided by 4x plus 5 divided by 4. The second one would be y is equal to 3 divided by 4x. This is going to be minus 5 divided by 4. Now we can see they're parallel to each other because of the intercept. Intercepts are different, plus 5 divided by 4 and minus 5 divided by 4. So this is another condition for no solution. So no solution, there are 3 k values related with no solution and 1 value with infinitely many solutions. So now the first question is unique solutions. So the unique solutions you can find. So unique solutions you can find when k can be any r value except plus or minus square root of 6 and plus or minus square root of 6 and plus or minus 2. So that would be the answer.